This is homemade seed paper. It's paper that's been infused with wildflowers so that you can make it into tags or little cutouts on the front of cards in your gift wrap, and then the recipient can plant this and grow their own wildflowers. So we're going to start off by taking some old scraps of paper, and you're going to tear them into tiny weeny little pieces. Look, I'm talking tiny like this, guys, right? And then you want these with a bit of water on. And then when you've got them all, I want you to leave them for about an hour so the paper's nice and soaked. And then we're going to put it and pulp it. So I'm just going to pop it in my NutriBullet, and you want the paper and also all of that water. Now once that's pulped, we're going to take it and get all the excess water out. And you see that just coming through the bottom there. Then I'm going to pop this back into the bowl, and we're going to add the seeds. Now, I just got a wildflower seed shaker, and you want about a tablespoon. And you want to get those seeds all nicely mixed in with the pulp. There, you can see that's going to form a nice paper there. You can use like a greaseproof paper. What I do is I keep the insides of the cereal packets. Nancy Birtwistle taught us this. It's a brilliant trick. You can use them for all sorts. And I'm going to pop this down, and I'm going to roll it to get it to form together. And then we're just going to leave that to dry. Now, if it's warm, it can take 24 hours. This has been about 3 days to get it nice and hard like that, okay? And then look, I'm just going to make a little heart. And obviously you'll make the best use out of the yield of the card. And remember, you can always re-wet this down. Make it into a new pulp if you want, so you don't waste any. And there you go. Really cute little gift tags that are plantable.